Hello, I'm Tom Clausette, and I've got a few tips for you about building a bottle rocket. You can put one together in about a weekend. First, you're going to need a few simple supplies. Head to the grocery store and pick up at least two 2-liter soda bottles. To keep the plastic from expanding too much under pressure, you'll need a roll of strapping tape. This tape is also great for attaching nose cones and fins. You'll also need a permanent marker for laying out fin positions. Okay, now that you've got the basic supplies, let's work on the bottles themselves. Here we place them on a kitchen counter. If you don't want to drink the soda, down the drain it goes. Once the bottles are empty, rinse them out, and you're ready for the next step. Take a pair of scissors and carefully cut the label from top to bottom where it is not glued to the bottle. Be careful not to scrape or cut the bottle, as this will weaken the pressure vessel and your bottle might burst. Now peel the labels off the bottles. Finally, take a pair of wire cutters or scissors and cut off the plastic retainer ring on the top of each bottle. If this retainer ring is left in place, your bottle rocket will not fit into the launcher. Next, you're ready to reinforce the bottle with strapping tape. This is necessary in order to keep the bottle from expanding and possibly bursting when it is pumped up with air right before takeoff. You will use the strapping tape you picked up at the grocery store to create either one wide band around the middle of the bottle or 3 narrower bands spread out from top to bottom. For this illustration, I'm going to show you how to make 3 bands. Put one band around the bottom of the bottle. Go around at least 2 times for strength. Put another band around the middle of the bottle, again going around the bottle twice. Now put the 3rd band around the top of the bottle. Remember to circle the bottle twice for strength. Next, you're ready to begin working on positions for the rocket fins. Take 2 sheets of printer paper, cut them in half longways and tape them together end to end. Tape one end of the strip to the pressure vessel bottle. Wind the paper strip around the circumference of the bottle and make a mark where the strip overlaps the starting point. Now you have to decide whether you want 3 or 4 fins. It's up to you. If you decide on 3 fins, divide the total circumference of the bottle by 3 and mark the paper strip for each fin. If you decide on 4 fins, divide the total circumference of the bottle by 4 and mark the paper strip for each fin. Once you've marked the paper strip, you need to reattach the strip to your bottle and transfer the markings to the bottle. In order to place the fins perfectly straight on the bottle, you need guidelines marked on the bottle. Find a set of folding doors in your house and line up the bottle in the gap formed by the 2 doors. The folding door gap will keep the bottle straight while you use a marker to place fin markings on the bottle. Hold the bottle in the door gap and slowly move the marker up and down from your fin mark. Do this for each of your fin markings. When you're finished, you should have 3 or 4 horizontal lines on your bottle that will act as guides for attaching fins. Now you're ready to begin building your fins, but I'm going to stop here. You've made a great start. Check out Bottle Rocket Video 2 to learn how to build a set of fins.